everyone, welcome to another 5 Foot Nomad video. I am Basilia, and in our channel we talk about working online, relocating, and living smarter. For everyone who's been watching our videos, liking, leaving comments, thank you so much for your support. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can be notified of our videos as soon as they come out of the oven. So in this video, guys, I will be talking about how to live smarter. Okay, you've probably heard people say, oh, you need to live smarter, you need to optimize your life. There's all these life coaches on Instagram telling you how to live your life, what to do, how to not do everything like everyone else, but sort of live this life that would allow you to be happier. So what does it even mean? How can you go from where you are right now in the way you live your life to actually living smarter and optimizing your life? So that's what we'll be diving into in this video. And yeah, let's get started. Living smarter means making the most of your time, money, and home, allowing you to have a more meaningful life. It's basically anything that can save you time, money, or allow you to make your life easier is basically living smarter. Okay, a lot of people go through life and they work a 9 to 5. They have this sort of routine in their life, and they just sort of float through what's happening, but they don't realize that there's a better way to actually live so that you can always have money, you can always be organized, and feel like you're more in control of your life. I feel like that's the main aspect of living smarter. So today, I'm going to be touching on 5 points, okay, to help you live a smarter life. And the first point is become aware of what's going on in your life, okay? I feel like a lot of us, we're working, we have friends, we have a home, we just wake up every morning, we go to work, we come back, we watch TV, eat, and then we fall asleep. The next day we wake up, we go to work, we have this routine, and we're sort of not aware that time is passing. It's so easy to be stuck in your routine that you don't realize that, wow, what is really going on in my life? We're not really aware of what's happening. We are sort of floating through it. And this is why, if you want to live smarter, you have to become aware of what's going on in your life. Where are you in your life right now? Where do you want to be? Have you written down your goals to say, okay, this is what I want to achieve this year, or this is what I want to achieve next year? Have you actually taken the time to sit back and think about what's actually going on in your life day to day? And if that's what you want for yourself? It's easy to just not take it seriously, but you have to become aware of what's happening in your life so that you can start seeing the areas of your life that probably need optimizing, and so you can take action in that direction. And the second tip to help you live smarter is get curious, okay? Start asking questions. A lot of people don't ask questions. They just accept whatever they're told. They just accept whatever is being preached to them or being told to them by the media. They don't actually question things, They don't ask themselves, why am I being told this thing, okay? A lot of people read the news and they just hear, this person did this, but they never ask, why is this happening? Is this really true? What is really going on here? If someone comes and tells you something, you have to question it, start asking questions, get curious about life. I preach working online and relocating, and if I come and I say, oh, you need to relocate to Montenegro because it's the best place for you, then you ask, why is it the best place for me? How do you know what's best for me? And this brings us to the third point, which is form the habit of researching, okay? You cannot live a smarter life if you don't know how to research, okay? When you start asking questions, a big part of finding answers for those questions is by researching. If I say Montenegro is the best country for you, relocate here, it's awesome, it's amazing, then you ask yourself these questions. Why? Why do you think it's best for me? You don't know me. What does it mean? And then you go and you research and you find answers for yourself. A lot of people don't research anything. I've made posts, about working on Fiverr and all of that, and people come and they ask me, what is Fiverr? They could have easily gone on Google and typed what is Fiverr and read for themselves. But no, they're too lazy to make the effort. They just, want someone else to do it for them, but someone else can't think for you. Because if I was not a good person, I would just tell them whatever and feed them stories and blah blah blah, and they would accept it because they don't question things and they don't research. So research is super important in your life. If things are not going well, if you're constantly broke, then you research. Why am I constantly broke? Why can't I save? Finding answers is super important, and research is a major part of that, because for you to live smarter, you must be able to become aware of your life, what's going on, see the problem areas, and sort of come up with things that you need to fix in your life. And you need to start asking questions. Why is it like this? What is going on? Why can't I have ABC? Why is it not possible for me to have this job, And then you make research to see how you can fix these things. I'm saying this now to sort of make it more practical and apply it to your life. And this brings us to the fourth tip to help you live smarter, which is ignore the crowd, guys. Ignore the crowd, okay? Social media is annoying. For me personally, social media is insane, because once you're on it, you have access to see all these people's lives, the lives of strangers, people you don't even know, and you start feeling like, oh, I'm not doing well enough. There's all these people who have like 100,000 followers, millions of followers, and I just have like 7,000 followers, and I'm like, oh my god, I'm not even doing anything. My life is not going well. You see people going on trips, buying houses, buying cars, and you start feeling like, my gosh, I haven't gone anywhere in my life. But you can't use that as reality, okay? I bet you've heard this a million times, but like, Instagram is not the real world, okay? It's like a highlight reel. People will only show what they want you to see. That someone's posting a car that they claim they bought doesn't mean they actually bought it. That someone's saying, oh, this is my house, and they take a picture in front, does not mean that they actually bought that house. Anyone can do anything online, and you have to be aware of that. Start ignoring the crowd. You only care about your journey. You only know your life and what's going on in your life. You cannot use other people's Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or Snapchat to judge your own life and the progress you've made so far, right? So if you want to live smarter, you have to ignore the crowd. And when you ignore the crowd, you won't care if your friend just bought an iPhone, and you won't feel pressure to now go buy an iPhone even though you can't afford it, Ignoring the crowd will help you to stay focused on your goals, stay focused on your journey, and you will realize that you're making the smarter decision over time. And the fifth tip to help you live smarter is understand your priorities, okay? A lot of people get so distracted and so sidetracked, okay? Some people, their priority is probably to save enough money so that they can pay their rent next year. But then a friend comes and is like, oh, let's go out. And they go out. They blow 20K here. They blow 10K here. They blow 10K there. And then they can't save for their rent. And then they've just gotten completely sidetracked because they don't understand their priorities. You need to understand what's more important to you. Is buying a car more important to you than saving your money and investing in something that will bring you returns long term? Is buying a 300K handbag more important to you than starting a business with that money that would bring you financial gains in the future? Think about your life and think about what is more important to you. Understanding your priorities will help you to not get sidetracked, ignore the distractions, because you know what's more important to you. If people are buying iPhone 13 and flashing it around, you know that that's not what you're thinking about right now. You're probably thinking about buying a land or building your own house and all of that. So you must understand your priorities. And to recap, guys, if you want to live a smarter life, you have to become aware of what's going on in your life. Don't just float through life. Take time off social media, take time off Twitter, take time off watching Netflix, and think about your life. Where are you right now? And where do you want to be? Think about all these things, and it's all part of being aware of what's going on in your life. And then start questioning everything. Get curious. Start thinking, how can I optimize my life? When you start questioning things, the automatic response is to make research so you can find answers to those questions. Make research. How can you optimize your life? How can you go from where you are now to where you want to be? There's a wealth of information online that you can use. Ignore the crowd. The crowd is the crowd and you are you. You know what's best for you. You're the only one that knows what's really going on in your life. So you cannot use someone else's blueprint to go through life. It's It's ridiculous. And a part of ignoring the crowd is to understand your priorities. If you understand who you are and what you want, the chance of you getting distracted by others would be way less. So if you've watched this video until the end, you're already making the smart decision. And I hope that you will go back, take the time, think about these 5 points that I've mentioned, and actually sit back and think and apply all this knowledge to your life so that you can live smarter and reach your goals, because that's the whole point, to optimize your life, to live smarter and then achieve your goals so that you can go from where you are now to where you want to be. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like this page, and yeah, until next time, bye.